Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Math JEE Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you very interesting function, piecewise function, how to find out the composition of these two functions, right? And how to find the range of this. Okay, what actually we need to find out f of g of x, right? Just you can see what is the input of f. Input of f is g of x. Just you replace x by g of x, right? You know the f of x function is there, right? Just replace x by g of x. Okay, then replace here. What will get? Just you wherever x is there, you just replace g of x. G of x plus 1 and g of x less than or equal to 1. The second one, 2 into g of x plus 1, 1 less than g of x less than or equal to 2. Understood all of you? Now what you can do, just you fix the first function, first one. Okay. Okay, fix it and you can substitute the function value g of x, right? So g of x equal to x square when x is from -1 to 2. Just replace here. Just you can replace x square and x plus 2 here, right? I'm fixing the first function, right? Now what you can do, first x square you replace x square plus 1 and x square less than or equal to 1. For this function is okay, but g of x, when it is defined, when x is -1 to 2, right? You have to take that one also. -1 less than x less than 2. You need to take the intersection of these two things. How to find out it? Just you can see x square less than or equal to 1 means you just take the square root on both sides. Square root of x square is mod x less than 1 and -1 less than or equal to x less than 2, right? Now you can draw the diagram. You can see the number line. Mod x less than or equal to 1 means what? X is falling from -1 to 1. Let's take this is 1, this is second one. So now you can draw the number line. So you point out these numbers -1 here plus 1, okay? Then second thing is -1 to 2, okay? So then first interval will be -1 to 1, it is fully included, and then second one is -1 to 2, right? 2 is not included, 1 is -1 is included. So in these two things, which is common here? You can see the common will be these portions, right? Okay. Therefore, the first function how to define f of g of x is equal to x square plus 1 if x is from -1 to 1. This is the first one. Okay. Next, what you can do, take the second function. Second one is what? X plus 2 is there, no? Just replace here. Just I'm fixing the g of x plus 1 here. Just replace x plus 2, second function. What is that? X plus 1, x plus 1, sorry, x plus 2 plus 1. And then x plus 2 less than or equal to 1. And when x plus 2 is defined, x is from 2 to 3, right? You have to take that also. Clear? Now what you can do, x plus 3, when it will be occur, if you solve this one, x less than or equal to -1 and x is from 2 to 3, right? Okay. Now you can see the number line. So x is less than -1 and second interval is 2 to 3, right? There is no common. Therefore, you can leave these functions. Okay, there is no common intersection, so it is not defined. Okay, that means x is belongs to empty here. Okay, next what you can do, you have to fix the second one. you have to fix the second function. You can apply the x square and x plus 2 here. Let's do this one by one. 2 times g of x, right? 2 times g of x plus 1, 1 less than g of x is less than or equal to 2. In this, you have to apply the first x square and then x plus 2, right? First you can apply x square. 2 into x square plus 1, 1 less than x square less than or equal to 2. When x square is defined, when x is minus 1 to 2, you have to take that also. Got it? Okay. Now you can solve these two things, right? You have to solve this quickly. So how to solve this one? You have to break this interval, right? 1 is less than x square and x square is less than or equal to 2. Then that means what? X square is greater than 1 and x square is less than or equal to 2, right? You take the square root on both sides. Square root of x square is what? Mod x, right? Mod x is greater than 1, and if you take square root here also, so mod x is less than or equal to square root 2, right? I am taking square root on both sides. Square root of x square will be mod x. Okay. You already know the definition of mod x is greater than 1, right? Greater than 1 means what? X is greater than 1 or x is less than minus 1. And here x is from minus square root of 2 plus square root of 2. Now you have to take the intersection. Minus 1 here, here plus 1. So we need minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity. This is first case. Second one, you can see minus square root of 2 to plus square root of 2. Minus square root 2 here, plus square root 2 here. So you have to take this intersection. So both will be included, right? Okay, which is common? Which is common these two intervals? You can see this is common, right? This will be common. Therefore, what is the intersection here? X belongs to here minus square root of 2 to minus 1. Minus 1 is open interval, but minus square root 2 will be included, right? Just I am including this. Okay, this is included. Union. So 1 to square root of 2, open interval 1 to square root of 2. Okay, this is the first one, and second one already we have. Second one is there. This is second one, right? Now you take the intersection of these two things, right? Okay, let's draw the diagram. So first one is minus square root of 2. This is plus square root of 2. So then here is minus 1. This is plus 1. Okay, so minus square root 2 to 1 open interval 1 to square root of 2, right? Okay, fine. So next one you can see x will be minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to, let's take 2 here. 2 will be more than square root of 2, right? So I'm taking 2 is not included, and minus 1 will be included. Okay, now which is common? The whole thing is common will be this portion, right? So x will be from open interval, 1 to square root of 2, between 1 to square root of 2. Square root 2 will be included, right? Square root 2 will be included. Okay, fine. Now what you can do, next step, you have to use the second function here. Second function is what? X plus 2. Just substitute in that. 2 into second function is what? X plus 2 plus 1. Okay, fine. And 1 is less than, here is strictly less than, right? And x plus 2 less than or equal to 2. Clear? Okay. Then here is 2x plus 4 plus 1 here. If you solve this 1, what will get? X will be, you adding minus 2 on both sides, minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 0. But you have to remember one thing, when x plus 2 is defined, when x is from 2 to 3, so you have to take that also. 2 less than x less than or equal to 3. Is there any intersection is available here? No, there is no intersection. You can see x will be minus 1 to 0, but here is x is 2 to 3. It's more than 2, right? It's not possible. Therefore, the x is belongs to empty set. There is no common elements, right? Okay. Therefore, you want to define this function, right? Okay. Then you rewrite this function. How to define, redefine this f composition f of x? How to define? Tell me. The first thing is, first we calculated, no, here, x square, where it is, the first one, x square plus 1, x square plus 1, if x is, x square plus 1, if x is from minus 1 to 1. Second one, you can see, second one is what? Here, right? When x is belongs to, if x is belongs to open interval 1 to square root of 2, then which is the function? You can say this is one, right? 2x square plus 1. Got it? Okay, this is your composition of these two functions, right? Then how to find the range of this function quickly? You know that x will be from minus 1 to 1, right? Then you can square it, right? Squaring on both sides, you already know that if you square it, it's non-negative, right? It will be 0 to 1. Now we need 1, right? You add 1 both sides. What will get? 1 less than x square plus 1 less than or equal to 2. This is the first one. Second one, you can see x is from 1 to square root of 2, right? Now we need 2x square plus 1. What you can do? Square this first. Square it. So 1 less than x square is less than or equal to 2. Now you can multiply by 2. So what will get? 2 less than 2x square is less than or equal to 4, right? Now we need 1, right? Add 1 both sides. So 3 less than 2x square plus 1 less than or equal to, what is that? You're adding 1, right? 5. So this is second one, right? So the y will be, depends on the different x values, right? So therefore you have to union of these two things would be range, right? So therefore range is y, that is f composition g of x is belongs to, so 1 to, right, square root of 2 union 3 open interval to 5 close interval. This is the range of the function, right? So many of the students are facing difficulty. Just you have to redefine this. How to redefine this? Just you fix one function, you can apply g of x, you know, piecewise function, x square and then x plus 2. The second thing, what you can do, take the second one, 2 times g of x plus 1 is there, no? You fix that one, you can apply x square and x plus 2 and take the intersection of these two things. Okay? I hope everyone understood this. If you have any doubt is there in the solutions, you can comment in the below, right? And one more thing, if you like this channel and like this video, you can subscribe it and like it and share to your friends. So everyone really benefit from this. Many of the people, many of the students are facing difficulty in these kind of questions in advanced level and main level also. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you.